What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna upgrade the suspension on the Nissan B13. So yeah, like you guys heard, today we are going to upgrade the suspension on the B13, and luckily I was able to find a cheap set of two coilovers, just the front ones for now, and they are not complete. Let me show you what I got. Here I have a front coilover from a B14, and this one is a case port. Actually, you guys can see it right there. This one is used. I got the two front ones for 80 bucks, which is a bargain. The only problem with this one is that I didn't get the wrenches, so I cannot adjust them. And besides that, I didn't got the top hats, so I'm gonna have to modify them. So I was actually messing around a little bit, and here is the other one. So what I did, if you guys remember, I changed the front struts on the B14, and here are the old ones that I removed. So what I did, I removed the top hat, and on this one I had the coilover with the OEM top hat. I wasn't sure if this was about to work, but it seems like it could work. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do the same thing to the other one, and we're going to bring the car in and we're going to start working with this. So let's go. You guys saw I removed the top hat from that one, and I went ahead and put it on this one. Again, I just did the same thing. Compress the spring, pull out the nut, put the hat on top, and now we have two coilovers with OEM top hats. So yeah, let's go and put this on the car. Let's go, boys. Boom. Alright, so it's the next day and we have the car inside the garage. After I assembled everything yesterday, I decided to make a couple changes on the coilovers. Let me show you. So after I assembled everything, I decided just to paint the top hats. So as you guys can see, these boys are actually painted. They used to be rusted, so just trying to make it look a little more presentable. So yeah, I just take everything apart and went ahead and had them painted so it will look a little better. So this one is the other one. They've been drying for about a day or two, so I make sure I don't have many fingerprints on them. So I mean, you guys know the process. We're going to jack up the car, remove the wheel. Again, this one should be super easy. We only have 3 bolts on the top hat, and we're gonna have 2 on the knuckle and maybe like a brake line or something like that. So let's go. So successfully I got the first side out, and again I had these 2 bolts right here. These 2 were 17s. I got the clip here for the brake line, and then I got the 3 on the top hat, and these 3 they were 12mm. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and actually mount the new one. If you guys are curious, these calipers, they still look gorgeous. They're a little dirty, but they haven't peeled or they haven't faded at all. They look very shiny, so I'm very happy. So that's a plus. All right, here I have a quick comparison, one next to the other one. I don't have the keys or the wrenches to adjust them for now. I might end up getting them soon, but this one's gonna actually drop the car a lot. You guys can see there, that one it should be at least like 2 to 3 inches. This would be my guess. So we're gonna mount this one and see what happens. So let's go. All right, so I got the first coilover on, and let's mount the tire and see how low this thing is. Let's go. Well guys, Manny just got here, and I don't know if I'm aiming well, but he doesn't even know what we're doing, so I want to see his face when we do what we're doing, when he see what we're doing. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the first side. I'm gonna do the other one real quick and check it out. So let's go. So I just got this side on the air. I'm going to kill this one real quick. You guys gonna see it in a second. And boom, yep, just like that, the car is on the floor. This one just dropped a little bit as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to park the car outside and see how it looks. So let's go. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. Was expecting it to be a little lower, but this camber is horrible. I have to fix this camber over here, but yeah, this one has a little bit of positive camber. You guys can see it all the way from there. So this one is not too good, but I mean, I'm gonna call it a 6 out of 10. I'm gonna see how it rides, and if I like it, we leave it. If not, we move them. So let's go for a small drive. Maybe they have to get in a little bit, even though they're not brand new. yeah guys, there you guys have it. The car has the new coilovers. I did went around the block to test it out. I honestly don't like them at all. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Most likely I'm gonna take them out again. But yeah, it's a TV, and that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The B13 now has used coilovers. The car looks better, but honestly I hate the way it rides, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Meanwhile, I have the turbo that I got here in. Let me show you that one real quick. The turbo is right here, and yeah, you guessed it right. I'm not gonna tell you on which car this one is gonna go, but yeah, turbo is here, and I got a couple things going on. The Eclipse is also here. We're gonna do some maintenance, nothing interesting to watch, so that's why I'm not gonna record it. But thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and Manny, peace. God bless you all.